Third FBQ2496 arrived this afternoon. It's already got this the parametric ready to use, because you got to press learn PEQ, no, press PEQ, add how many filters you want to use, and Bear is playing up. He's a big cat for a shoe snow cat. And then the learn and all that, so you know it's all ready to use there. Just testing the pink noise. So I'll adjust my left center, right center. Output there. Well, output input, and there. That's good. I'll activate the other one. And good. That's good. So that's all ready. I'll turn the amplifiers on. Just go over checking again the LCR, and then move the microphone maybe from there over to left center, and then test left and left center, and then swap them around so it's then right center and right, and then swap them around again and test from center to left center, center to right center. There's a lot of tests. Check for tonality rather than, and if it's like that, well, that's too much. Well, actually it's got to be, you know what I mean, it's got to be consistently possibly flat as possible, and this should do it. I mean, it's getting better with the LCR, because I had some frequencies that were several dB or so that were peak, and even though other filters frequencies have been lowered down slightly, there was still something that was too much over there, and because I ran out, because anyone that has a DCX, you're going to run out of PEQ filters. You know, you could use bandwidth parametric, Q bandwidth, and widen the Q and lower it. And if you evaluate some of the frequencies and you think, oh, you can bring this portion down, and then still you've got other frequencies that are like, you know, like a roller coaster ride, except for the loop for loop. If it had loop, I'll be worried. Well, I'll be kind of fascinated. So that's all ready. So I'll just test it through. But you know, I think my approach with microphones near on axis, and then I then may want to bring a microphone or have another one, because I've got lots of them. Put the other microphone back here, and then sort of like aim it up that way and test, see what, you know, and kind of move it, you know, just swivel it a little bit, kind of directionally, because some frequencies are very, you know, depending on the wavelength, and just overall look at it, even though it's going to be very bumpy, depending on the frequency smoothing being used, because if you measure it directly in the amplifier, it's like, it's flat, and you can change the resolutions on the smoothing, and you know, it almost looks the same once it comes in the room, or through rather to a speaker. There's no guarantee that speaker is going to be the same as the other one. They look the same by appearance, so, but that doesn't mean they are frequency matched the same, or phase. Maybe even the polarity might be miswired on the manufacturing on those elite rich snob tough hi-fi speakers for audiophiles, if you know what I mean. And then they go out buying all that flipping cable thinking it's going to improve it. Yeah, this is the solution. So, you know, it's like sandpaper, and you sand something down. It's part of the trade of the tools. Sandpaper. You got some wood and you sand it, or if you got done some plastering, you put sand, you do sanding on it. Well, it's the same with car body work. You do some sanding on it, smoothing the, you know, it's the same. It's part of a tool to, you know, and it's the same with these. A parametric or an EQ, whatever, or call it a room equalizer, room correction, not, because really that microphone for that room correction thing should be placed way up close. But then these AVRs are pretty dumb and stupid, but you can do a way to make, well, I ain't gonna say that right at the moment. I'm not gonna let the cat out the bag, and so all you lot out there can go and do it. And then you know, I'll let you lot think about that one. Hey, should we let them think about that, Bear? Yeah, I think we should.